Before you can get the hanger to put on your mirror, you'll need to do the measurements very carefully so that you can show the teacher where the center is, so that your hanger will be exactly in the middle and your mirror will hang straight on the wall. The mirror is 12 inches across. The middle would be 6 because 12 divided by 2 is 6. So I'm going to make a mark right where the 6 inches mark is on the ruler. Make the mark go the same way as the line that's on the 6. Okay. I'm using a pen here so it will show up. However, you should probably use a pencil in case you make a mistake and you can erase it easier. If you want to extend that line a little bit, turn your ruler this way and use the straight edge to guide yourself. Ideally, you're going to measure 1 inch down from the top and put a mark going across this way. Sometimes that gets in the way of the writing. So if you had some writing that you don't want to glue your hanger exactly on the writing, that's not going to work too well. You may get an exception from the teacher. Show me your mirror and I'll tell you if it won't work. I'll allow you to glue it maybe a little closer to the top if necessary. Okay. Now to measure the top, I'm going to measure down 1 inch. Now remember, the ruler actually starts where the 0 mark is, not where the end of it is. So I would get an inaccurate measurement if I did this right now. I need to slide it up so that the 0 is actually at the top edge. And then I'm going to put a line right where the 1 inch mark is. And notice that line is going the same way as the line on the 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to turn my ruler around, and now I'm going to put a plus mark. Okay, so the middle of the plus is exactly where the dot in the center of the hanger is going to go. Now you don't know where the marks go yet because you don't have the hanger. So do your measurements first. Bring the mirror to the teacher. When I look at it, I'll approve it if you did it right, and then I will give you the hanger.
These two components by themselves are not glue. It has to be mixed together or it will not harden. Start. You're going to mix epoxy in 2 equal amounts. Use the card with the happy faces on it to help you get the right amounts. That was the hardener, and this is the resin. Use a toothpick to stir it up well. It must be mixed thoroughly. Put some epoxy on both ends of the hanger. And then put the hanger on the mirror. Make sure the teeth are pointing towards the bottom of the mirror, so you'll be able to hang it on the wall. Very nice job. In about 5 to 10 minutes it should be done drying.